Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. So pretty much like this is a late unboxing. So I got this LongChamp items since I think Black Friday. So I did probably put this on my community on YouTube, that letting everybody know that Nordstrom's has a LongChamp sale. So this one actually, like, yeah, in a really good price. I got this in an unbeatable price. So this three are from Nordstrom's, and then the other one is from the LongChamp website. So anyway, so I have, let me probably gonna have to start with the cosmetic case. So I have here the cosmetic case, and this is the Pliage Club Cosmetic Case, and this one, the color for this item is in garnet red, as you could see. So there's still a price here, but I know I got this around, I think, if I am not mistaken, $30 for this. Really good price. The one that I got is in, it has a silver hardware, really nice. So I'm just gonna give you a closer look of the silver hardware, really nice. And then this one has, so let me just take a look at the inside. Oh, there's still stuffing in here. Let me just take this one out. Okay, so here's the card. Oh, this is just a care booklet, I guess, and it's just about the textile itself. So the inside has a black interior, which is nice. I love that. I always like when my the interior of my purse is like dark, not necessarily black, maybe dark brown or dark red, like that. So it's so easy to maintain, really, to be honest. So this one is, yeah, it's really nice. And right here, so we have the signature logo in here, which is in orange though. Yeah, it actually has a really nice contrast. And also here on the side, it has a leather tab. I don't know what's the use of this leather tab right here on the side. And it has a contrasting color from the glazing, which is like a little bit of like an orange, dark orange. Yeah, this is nice. I like the interior. The only thing that I have checked the website on the LongChamp website, and I was a little bit disappointed because they don't have such a detailed photos of the item. You can even see the interior of the item. I mean, that's okay, you know. I mean, they should have just give you at least a little bit of an idea in the description that the interior is dark. But looking at it in the website, I am actually not seeing it that they should have at least put a photos of the interior. But I'm not sure with the Nordstrom, because I have this one for quite a while now. I totally forgot about this purchase. I have several items that I forgot because I have been so busy for the holidays. So, but anyway, so this is from the Black Friday sale at the Nordstrom's website. Really good. I got this one in such a great deal. So this is the first item, and this is a cosmetic case. So moving on to the next one. Okay, so I have here another cosmetic case as well, the Pliage Club Cosmetic Case. So this one is in color fur. So FIR, more likely a dark green color. I just love this color. The contrasting signature logo right there. Very, very nice. It's a neon green though. And also the leather tab and the side as well. It has a really nice contrast effect on the side of it. And yeah, this one has a silver hardware as well, which is so cute. And then the inside, let's see the inside of this. I like that they stuffed this one. So I love the fact that this one has a dark interior, same as on the other one. Very nice. Very lovely. Yeah, this is more of like a nylon material though. Really nice. More likely I will be using this to put, I have a lot of I carry a lot of pens and pencils. So I will be using this, so that's why it is so important for me to get the one that has a dark interior. So I might probably some pen marks, ink marks and stuff, so I'm not gonna worry too much about it. But this one is really soft and flexible. Seems like it's actually made up of a really nice material, very light, very light, and I love the color. Very cute. So those are the two cosmetic case that I got. Those two are from Nordstrom's, and if I'm not mistaken, it's around $30 when I got that. And next we have another item here. So this one also at Nordstrom's. I got this, I cannot remember anymore. I think it's less than $50 for this tote bag. So let me just open this. I haven't really even opened it, touched this, because I saw this one the other day and it was like, wow, I didn't even know that I have other stuff in here that I needed to unbox. So anyway, oh wow. So I thought this is a little bit darker in the website. I was really expecting like this color so I could match it, but apparently it's not. But I think this color is khaki. So let me just see. Let me just open this. So this is my first purchase from LongChamp in so many years. So this is a Pliage Tote in khaki. And oh, nice. I love the signature logo right there. It's embroidered. I just love the contrast of it. Oh, wow. This is so cute. So the top handle. So this is more of I didn't get the shoulder ones because I like the top handle. Wow, the contrasting color on this blue is really nice though. Right here in the corner on this side as well. Really nice. Wow. It is so cute. So at the back just looks like this. Wow. I love the size for this. So let me just take a look at inside. Oh wow, this one, the zipper actually, I hope that the zipper is not damaged though. Oh, okay, so this one right here, let me just open this. Wow, I'm surprised that the interior is, once again, it is dark, so I am not going to worry about staining. So I am planning to use this, during this time that we're still carrying hand sanitizer, so I'm not going to worry too much about the purse like this. I also got a Lacoste though, so I've been using a Lacoste lately when I go to the market, so I don't really need to worry about my purse getting stained marks from the hand sanitizer. But I've always been so careful, but you'll never know. But more likely this part here is leather, so you still have to be careful. Wow, I love the contrast on this. I mean, wow, it is actually nicer than I thought. Yeah, it is actually nicer than I thought. Wow, I'm totally surprised and I love it. I am surprised. Really. Wow, this one actually, during the sale, it came in with a lot of different colors, and I know that this one were sold out so fast, so quickly. And also at the back, yeah, just like that. Yeah, just the carry handle is really nice for this. I just really find it handy. And also the leather trim looks so cute. So yeah, that's the contrasting handle right there. I like it. I do like the contrasting color on the handle, as well as right here in the logo. And then the button right here is really nice as well. on the side at the glazing. It's actually a really nice touch. Very nice. And then yeah, this one is nicer. The nice thing about this purse is that it is very light, you know. So yeah, very, very lovely. And then this is the club tote, the Pliage club tote. So let me just put this one in here in this corner. I'm gonna move on to this item in here. So this item, I got this on the website, and this particular item, I like to, this is a different style though. It is also a cosmetic pouch, but it has a leather handle, similar to that one, but this one has a leather handle. So the packaging is so cute on the website itself, but I got so confused when I checked the website because, like I mentioned, it's actually, they only just show few photos of it. They're not very descriptive when it comes to, you know, like with the particular item. I don't know, very, oh, I love the pop color. It's so pretty. So anyway, so this one, okay, here it is. Oh wow. So this one, oh, they put the stuffing inside. So let me just remove this stuffing in here. Oh, this one was just placed inside like that. I thought that there should be some sort of like tags or anything, but nothing at all. Just like really plain. Oh, okay. Now, I thought the interior for this, because this is more of like a darker color and on a darker side, I really thought that the interior for this is dark. So these two has a dark interior, black interior, and this one is more of like a beige, dark beige color, which is because this one has a black interior, as you could see, black interior inside. So I was really expecting that this one also has a dark interior as well, but apparently this one has a different texture from the inside though. I don't know what's being lined. This were not lined though. I think this is wipeable. I'm not 100% sure, but I just really find this here, the leather signature logo and the handle as well, very, very attractive. Oh wow, I didn't even realize that this one has a gold hardware. Wow, very, very cute. And yeah, this here, the embroidered stuff, really, really cute. Very nice. And then the top handle as well. I like this. I really like this top handle right here, showing the stitching as well. And this is the leather part of it. Very cute. Wow, and also the gold hardware is really nice. So the other one has silver, and this one is in gold. Wow, I am totally surprised from the website and also from I got those three from Nordstrom's. I don't know the difference though, but this one has no tags attached to it. So it is just, I mean, the packaging is really nice. That's the only thing. But anyway, so here are the items that those are the items that I got from LongChamp, and I think they're really cute. They're really nice. They're so cute, especially, yeah, these are like, yeah, dark green right here. This one more of like a khaki color, and then this one here is dark red. And really lovely. I love it. This one, yeah, the branding is right here. I thought it was embroidered, but this one is like in leather though, which is nice. So those are my cosmetic stuff, but yeah, I mainly use them to store on the pens that I will be using this year for 2021. And then this one is so cute. I really thought, I mean, this is actually nicer than I thought, really, to be honest, because the website can be so deceiving sometimes when it comes to the color and the style itself. But I just really love that it came out like this. I love the contrast. Very pretty. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.